In today's video, we're going to show you how we use HydroShine. Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. If you're interested in tips, tutorials, reviews, and more, then consider subscribing and click that bell, that way you don't miss stuff. So in today's video, we're going to showcase HydroShine and how we use it. Now, we have been using HydroShine for about 8 years now, and we actually kind of stumbled across it because we have a local Automagic distributor here in Richmond. And when we were starting, I went there and got a bunch of different products and started using them and experimenting with them to basically choose which ones I wanted to go with. And Automagic isn't really designed for the mobile detailer. They do have some good products, but mostly they're designed for body shops and dealerships and other larger volume detailers. So one of the products that we do like is HydroShine. Now, HydroShine is designed as a spray polymer. It can be used as a drying aid, it can be used as a spray wax, and it's a very versatile product. Now, it only comes in the 32-ounce bottle. It doesn't come in a gallon, unfortunately, but you can purchase it on Amazon. So check out the links below, and you can buy it there. If you buy the 1 quart bottle, you can dilute it 1-to-1 with distilled water. I used to do that, and I would make 2 bottles out of 1, and it would be a little bit more cost effective. But you don't have to do that. Only if you do want to water it down to use it for maintenance, spray waxes after you're finished washing and rinsing the vehicle. And as it's still wet, that's how you use the product. So we're going to show you how we do that. Now, after the vehicle is completely cleaned, you'll notice that on our vehicle, our 2011 Avalon, we coated the hood and the roof, and those are still beating like crazy. So that was coated with a G-Technic EXO V3. Now, if you want to check out those videos, click up in the corner and you can go to those videos to see. But the coating is still holding very strong on the hood and on the roof. Now, I am going to use it on the hood and the roof and the rest of the car. And I'm not really worried about it affecting the coating. It's not really going to bond to it anyway. Basically here, I'm using it as a drying aid on those surfaces, and then for the rest of the car, I'm using it as a drying aid and to sub in for protection. I haven't really waxed this car with a normal Carnauba or polymer wax yet. I've just been slowly correcting and protecting some of the panels on it because this car does need a lot of work. So what I have been doing is washing it and using HydroShine as its protection. So you'll notice all you need to do is use a spritz per panel, very light, and then use a nice microfiber that is dry to basically dry the panel and add the protection. And as you're wiping it down, you'll notice that it dries very nicely. For a drying aid, it is awesome. It's one of the best out there. It seems to be that it makes the microfiber really absorb the water better, and then you just wring the microfiber out and continue drying. And once the microfiber gets a little saturated, you can get another one, you can get a dry one and continue the process. And if it does start to smear or kind of leave some high spots or some streaking, don't worry about it. It's very easy to remove. Just go back over the surface with the wet or the damp microfiber, and then again use a dry one just to hand polish the surface and make any of the extra streaks basically evaporate and go away. So you don't have to worry about it leaving any type of horrible streaking. Now, you'll also notice that I'm doing this in the sun. So this car already has a lot of defects, a lot of swirling, and some areas where somebody went crazy with a polisher, a rotary polisher, so I'm not too worried about that. But even if I'm using this on vehicles that are well maintained, my wife usually works along with me, so we get the vehicle washed, rinsed, and dried very quickly. Basically cuts the time in half. So I'm not worried about it leaving any spots on the vehicle because we dry it so quickly. And this is my favorite product to use also in door jambs. You'll see me use it under the hood, so it'll actually add protection and dry under the hood. You can put it on glass also. So don't worry if it gets on glass. It can go into every single surface on the exterior. So paint, chrome, plastic, glass, it doesn't matter. And actually, in a pinch, when my windshield wipers weren't working on my truck, I was caught in a rainstorm and the windshield wipers weren't working. So I quickly got out of the vehicle, getting soaking wet, and applied HydroShine to the windshield. Just wiped it very, very quickly to make sure I covered the whole surface. And it basically would bead water just like Rain-X, at least for a couple of days after that, especially in heavy, heavy storm or in heavy rainfall. So you can put it on the glass with no problem. Just make sure to have a nice dry polishing towel after to remove any type of little residual hazing that it might make. So this product is an amazing product. I really do like it. Like I said, I've been using it for 8 years now, and I continue to use it. And it's really the only product from Automagic that I now have and use on a regular basis. So you'll notice that as I'm using my Detailer's Helpers belt, I'll have the HydroShine on one side, and on the other side, of course, I have my 303 aerospace protectant that I use for engine compartments, as well as the little plastic boot areas in the trunk lid and in the door jambs that I will dress. So I use this stuff all the time. So if you guys have any questions or comments about this product, do you use it? How do you use it? And what do you like about it? What do you not like about it? And definitely check out the links below to try the product out for yourself and see if you like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may also enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications of when our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day.